Okay, folks, we're back again to do another unboxing of comics for the shop this week. I'm going to start with Lunar this time. Got some pretty big shipments from each one. Of course, big for us, that is. Okay, we got box inside a box, perfectly packaged with bubble wrap all around. Actually, this bubble wrap's deflated on this side. Hope that doesn't cause a problem. It looks fine. Some deflated bubble wrap. All right. I'll go ahead and apologize ahead of time. I'm still a little bit under the weather, so my voice ain't quite right, and I may be sniffling a bit. Apologies for that. I got some stuff here on top. Got posters, Justice League, Wonder Woman, Flash, some Batman thing, and a Black Label, Waller versus Wildstorm, Book 3. Of course, that's a large, oversized, magazine-sized Black Label comic. And yes, there's a lot in here. This was an order for a customer. Batman Wayne Family Adventures. So I guess that's maybe it was an online thing that they've just put in to comic form. And let me get these out of the box. Okay, Batman, Gargoyle of Gotham, #1. This is the Jim Lee variant cover, square bound, cardstock, a tappy. Got a couple of those. Here is Batman, the Gargoyle of Gotham, #1. Frank Miller variant. Also, square bound cardstock. This is Gargoyle of Gotham, David Finch variant. And this is Gargoyle of Gotham, regular cover, finally. Ooh, it's black and white and red. It's a black, white, and blood. I saw a blue word balloon in there. But this is your art for Batman, Gargoyle of Gotham. No, that's the Noir edition, it says. Did I just get one? I don't know what's going on here. I guess this was, I don't know, reorder? Because we have this in stock already. Batman, Catwoman, Gotham War Battle Lines. Okay, let's keep going. Batman Incorporated, #12. Here's a shiny thing. What is it? It's shiny. Batman, Catwoman, Gotham War Battle Lines. I guess foil edition. Very shiny. Very cardstockish. Tappy. The ad is shiny on the back. Very shiny. What's going on here? I already had this stuff. Riddler Year 1. Whatever number. But we already had this, so it doesn't matter what number it is. Also reorder. Harley Quinn Black, White, and Red are #1. Let's keep going. World's Finest. Teen Titans, #3. Feels something weird there. It's just a tiny little. Yeah. Wonder Woman War of the Gods, number 3. I think this is like a reprint facsimile of his old series, George Perez, right? Superman Lost, number 6 of 10. Green Lantern, number 3. Danger Street, number 9. Here's more Batman Gargoyle of Gotham. What is going on here? Okay, I guess the Noir edition was different. Let's stop and take a look at this. Probably have too many of these. So let's look at the art in this, then we'll go back. And this one's not black and white. And I remember showing you that before, so that's the color version. So the Noir version is the black, white, and blood. Where did it go? Yes, the Noir edition. So this one, let's keep it simple and go first page so we can compare. Yep. So same book. This one's black, white, and select few colors. Okay, now we got some shiny things in the box. Oh wow. Batman and Robin number 1. This appears to be an Art Germ variant. Very shiny, very foil. Batman and Robin number 1. Tappy tappy. $7.99 cover price. Great cover. We got some more black. We got Batman Noir, Gargoyle. And here's the Batman Robin variant that is not shiny, or not foil anyway. That one's got some printing problems. If you see that crease right up the middle there. And what's this? Here's the regular cover. Batman and Robin number 1. We'll take a look inside. That's your art for Batman and Robin number 1. Couple more of those in there if I can get them out safely. More of that. Oh, I ordered too many. What am I doing? Oh, what the hell's going on in here? No wonder I don't have any money. All right, get more Batman and Robin. And here we have Batman number 1. Shiny foil facsimile edition variant for Batman number 1. Tappy tappy. Okay, there's some more such stuff in here. These are appear to be the blank covers with the overlays. Got several of these. Oh, nope. Oh, yeah, wait, what the hell? Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay. That's the protective overlay. And that's the blank cover. And then inside there's the regular cover. That's pretty fancy. Blank covers, cardstockish, tappy tappy. $8, $7.99 cover price. It needs to be kind of fancy, right? That's a lot of money to pay for a Batman comic, a Batman facsimile variant. Here's the regular cover. So this one's $1 cheaper, less tappy action. Let's see. So this one's $6.99. You can get the double cover blank for $7.99, or $8.99 you get the shiny. So those are your choices for Batman #1. I think Batman Day is coming up soon too, so watch out for that one. Batman Scooby-Doo Mysteries. This is the last issue, number 12. It has Batman Beyond on the cover. That could be pretty interesting. May want to speculate on that one. Just a thought. And let's get these out of the way. We'll go to the Penguin Random House distribution shipment, which is, of course, Marvel, etc. Start with this mailer. There's 3 boxes after this. I may have overdone it for the ordering. Now I probably can't afford lunch, but hopefully everything goes okay. Oh well. Okay, got an invoice, packing slip, whatever the heck you want to call it. And Star Trek Motion Picture Echoes, number 5. Spine Tingling Spider-Man, number 0. Is this a variant? Yeah, it's the regular cover. Spine Tingling Spider-Man, number 0. Art looks good. Okay, I think this is... all right. Yeah, heck yeah. And Star Trek Picard's Academy, number 1. Cover looks not so exciting. And that's your interior art. Goodness. Picard's Academy, number 1. Okay, let's get to these boxes. Start with a light box first. This one's heavy. We'll do it last. Okay, we got the corner package again, so that 3/4 of my shipment is protected. Got a 25% chance of total destruction of the corner of these comics. Invoice, Revolutionary Technology. Venom number 25, Scotty Young variant. That's a thick comic. Very thick. $7.99 cover price. My goodness. Ow. I'm all shook up. Venom number 25. Regular cover. Also $7.99. Make you a recommendation, a suggestion here, Marvel. That's too much. But let's check it out. Maybe it's not too much. Maybe it's something super cool inside. I don't know what that could be. And there does look like there's a lot going on, and it has Dr. Doom. And what the heck? Gosh. Okay. And like I said, it's pretty thick, so maybe you think it's worth $8. Sonic the Hedgehog. One shot. Oh, let's rewind here for a second. Remember that 25% chance I just said? Yep, they got me. This one's okay. The Venom's looks okay. Look at this right here on these $8 comics. Now they are $0 comics. If Penguin Random House stops, up, look, here's the corner. Here's the corner hit. Okay, Penguin Random House, if you guys start acting like Diamond, I'll stop selling comics. I don't need this damn job. Okay? Nobody buys these crappy new comics anyway. And they're damaged. I don't make money. Look how shiny and beautiful this comic is with its corner. Yeah. Great. That's how comic shops go out of business. That's why we can't have nothing. What, you're in here looking for Venom number 25? Yeah. Sorry, it's got a big corner ding in the corner of it, and it's $8. All right. See what this one does. Invoice. Technology that didn't revolutionize anything. Now I'm mad. Oh, look, a corner ding on this one, too. Look, great. Daredevil number 1. I'm sure this is an awesome Frank Miller variant. Yeah, Frank Miller variant, Daredevil number 1. Daredevil, blank cover variant. Where's the damage? Because I know it's here. I don't know. This actually looks like it might be all right. Daredevil number 1. I mean, I've cut my orders back as low as I can possibly do it. I know these comics are damaged because you can see the ones all around them are. I don't know how that... I don't know. Sonic the Hedgehog number 64. Damaged. Daredevil number 1. $7 cover price. Here's your art. And damaged. Corners damaged. Now maybe some of you guys are new to collecting comics and say, that's not damaged. It's just the corner's just a little bit bent. It's paper. No. If you're new to collecting comics, you see some crap like this, don't buy it. And that one's arguably maybe will flatten out at some point. But you know what? I'm tired of it. I'm tired because I'm working a second job because of crap like this. I'm tired straight out of it. This box maybe packaged a little better. It was still 3 sides. I don't know why they didn't put it on that, but maybe it's okay. Yeah, these don't look like they took a corner hit. So the fuller box is okay. The heavier. Okay, anyhow, now I'm all frazzled. What is this? Fall of X number 1, Hellfire Gala. I think that's a reorder. I don't know. Death of Venomverse number 1, second printing. First printing still on the shelf. And oh yeah, by the way, they were damaged. Ghost Rider. Number 18, Stormbreaker variant. Darth Vader, number 38. This is one of the Dark Droids connecting variants. I also kind of feel like we had that already, but maybe not. They look pretty similar. Okay, let me calm down. Really? Alligator Loki, number 1. Scotty Young variant. Captain Marvel, Dark Tempest, number 3. Astonishing Iceman, number 2. What is this? Avengers Incorporated, number 1 variant edition. This is an Alex Ross connecting variant. Alligator Loki, number 1. Let's take a look at this. There's no word balloons. I've been told I can't show every single page of a comic, so I shouldn't do that, but anyhow, yeah. Alligator Loki, Red Goblin, number 8. Children of the Vault, number 2. Avengers Incorporated, number 1. We'll take a look inside of that. Got your John Romita Sr. tribute. So yeah, Avengers Incorporated, number 1. Werewolf by Night, number 1. Well, let's take a look inside. And we got some black, white, gray action. Oh, now this color. They're doing that. They're doing the noir, as we just discovered. That's what we'll call that from now on. Obi-Wan Kenobi, number 1. Let's take a look inside. And $5 cover price on Obi-Wan Kenobi, number 1. X-Force, number 44. This comic was on the bottom. We'll put it back on the bottom now that I can. Ghost Rider, number 18. X-Men Red, number 15. Venom Annual 2023, number 1. Oh, look, it has Deadpool. Let's take a look inside. So, yeah, Venom versus Deadpool. That's a thing. They want to check that out. Darth Vader, number 38. Part of the Dark Droids story arc. Okay, Miles Morales, Spider-Man, number 10. Incredible Hulk, number 4, last. And probably not least, definitely not least, because it has the Man-Thing. Well, that's our show for the week. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.